and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making an easy Thanksgiving turkey recipe, guys. So why wait? Let's get started. So here, my lovelies, the ingredients are my turkey right here, 1 green bell pepper, 1 onion, celery, rosemary, some sage, some smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, total seasoning, some coarse salt, and my baking pan, guys. Easy to use, easy cleaning up. So let's get started, guys. The turkey is already washed, so I will use a napkin to kind of pat dry. So you can make sure you wash your turkey and look out for extra if there's any feathers or anything like that. We are going to make this beautiful, guys, juicy and delicious. So now I am going to season the turkey generously, guys. First I will turn it over like this. So let me add some of the salt inside, some total seasoning, black pepper, smoked paprika, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. So now I will rub this all in, guys. Get it all up in every corner as possible. So let's move this aside for a little bit, guys. So for the outside I will use some butter. To my butter I will add some seasoning. You can use the melted butter, but I'm just going to use the add the seasoning to the butter. That it might seem like a lot, guys, but you want your turkey to be juicy. So let me add some black pepper to this, guys. Some black pepper, smoked paprika, the all-purpose seasoning. Guys, don't be afraid to season your turkey or your meat. Don't be afraid to season your turkey, guys. Some garlic powder, and some sage. This, guys, this is beautiful. This brings out the taste so great also. Beautiful. And just a small amount of rosemary. This also, guys, beautiful. Bring the taste out like wow. So now I will combine So remember, guys, you can also use the melted butter. But what I'm going to do with this, I am going to get it also up underneath the skin. So let's go, guys. So now I will turn the turkey this way, guys. And if you notice, I did not remove the skin here, guys, because I will use this as a shield to keep the juice and moisture inside of the turkey breast. So here we go, guys. Lift the skin like this and get the butter underneath. This is gonna keep the turkey from drying out, guys. So get your butter all over this beautiful turkey, guys. It might seem a bit messy, guys, but don't worry about the messiness. We're gonna concentrate on the taste that this will give to your food, to your turkey. So get this all the way underneath the skin, guys, all the way underneath. So now I will push this inside this cavity, guys, like this. So now that there's enough butter underneath the skin, guys, I will turn it over. So now I will fill the cavity with the sweet pepper, onion and celery. Here I have large chunks of onion, guys. So So now I will pull the skin over like this. So now I will get it to the baking pan, guys. Remember guys, with this extra piece of skin guys, I'm gonna tuck it in right here. This will help to keep the turkey breast moist. So now I will marinate for 3 hours, or you can marinate overnight. I'll be right back. So I'm back guys. Now that the chicken is marinated, I will add pieces of green bell pepper and some celery. Make it tasty guys. And onion to the pan. So now we are going over to the oven guys. Your oven should be preheated at 350. 1, 2, 3. So I just took the turkey from the oven, so I will use the juice from the pan to baste the turkey. So beautiful already guys, so beautiful already, and it's not yet done. Now let's return to the oven. So here we go guys, the turkey breast is coming on beautifully guys, catching the color and everything. So let's use the juice to baste the turkey breast. So beautiful guys. Let's turn it around that you can see also. All this juice guys, it can be used to make your gravy. So tasty. So I will now return to the oven. So here we have guys, beautifully done, moist, tender and juicy guys. This is the recipe for your roast, aka baked turkey breast. So guys, please let me know what you think by leaving me a comment, like, share, and subscribe guys. Subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.